Hey, so in this video I'm going to be showing you a bit about my program that interacts with a Firestore database. So right here we have the database. It has different documents that contain words, and there's an info document that contains the quantity of Word documents, and so there's different documents of different categories. So let's get into a little bit about the program. So we have the main function that instantiates different classes, and for example, so we have the fireman class here, which is a Firebase helper and provides functionality for working with the database. For example, it can get data. There's also librarian, which is a text file helper, and she provides functionality for reading text files and transcribing them to the database. There's also the commissioner, which the commissioner provides functionality for choosing watchwords from the database and assigning them colors for gameplay. There's also the spokesman, and the spokesman provides functionality for doing things like it provides some help with like communicating with the user. There's also this email file, which it's not a class per se. It's a file that contains a function which the main file imports. And this is a lot of this code. I use code from realpython.com, and this provides functionality for emailing or sending an email, which this program can do. So let's go ahead and let's run this program, and let's do manage database. We'll do insert. We'll do whole file. We'll just call this collection tests, and we'll add presidents.txt. So I have this presidents file that it's going to add the words to, or like these names to the database. I have this hash character here, which I have set up. The librarian ignores lines, or should ignore lines that have the hash character. So as you can see down here, in the Firestore database, we refresh and click test, and you can see it's added that. So we have different presidents, and we have the info, which has the quantity of the presidents, of the amount of Word documents. There's also, so let's get into the gameplay actually of it. So let's click play, and no, we won't do email this time. And let's say it says please enter a word pack to add. So let's just add what we had, test. So now click done. We'll say done, and you can see it's given us the answer file ID. So the answer file ID is 953, and so answers ID 953.txt has, this file has, the answers. So let's just test it. John Quincy Adams is supposed to be red. So down here, let's enter. It says enter call row, so column row, and done to finish. So John Quincy Adams is right here. So column 3, row 1, we'll do 3, 1. You can see John Quincy Adams is red, so looks like that's working. Now, let's just quit the program. Now, interestingly enough, this program does have functionality. It's pretty cool for that sends an email and has the codes, so it can send an email to the 2 code masters that you choose. So that's pretty cool. Anyways, this was just a short video describing and going through some of the stuff, functionality of this Watchwords database program. Thank you.